In this video I'm going to show you guys how to insert a video from YouTube into PowerPoint. So yeah, let's get started. First of all, copy a link of a YouTube video you want to import. And just copy it like this. Click copy. Go to PowerPoint. Go to insert. And now click on a video right here. On the right, click on online video, then paste the URL in it. So just click on paste, then click on insert, and the video has been inserted. And you can play it like this, as you can see. So yeah, that's basically it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'd appreciate that. Bye. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing so I can grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I'd appreciate it.